Hello viewers, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we're going to see how to install QOwnNotes on Linux Mint 18.3. QOwnNotes is an open source plain text file notepad editor which supported markdown as well as to-do list manager for Linux, Mac OS and also for Windows. It integrates with the Notes application of its own cloud. So let's proceed with the installation. If you use Linux Mint 18 or newer, add this repository. Now the repository has been added. Now you have to update the repo package. Now the repository list has been updated and the final step will be installing the QOwnNotes using the apt-get command. To continue, press Y. As you can see here, the installation is successful now. In order to open the QNotes, go to the menu and search for QOwnNotes. And here you can find it. Enter. Now first you have to create a new folder. Here I am giving a default folder. So if you see here, QNotes has been opened. This is the interface of the QOwnNotes. In order to start a new note, you can press this button, new note. Now the new note has been added and there are so many options for this. And this is the minimal version. If you need a full version, you can go for the full option here. As you can see here, this is the full option which allows you to work on simultaneously in different tabs. In order to remove the current note, press this button and it will be removed. So by creating the file here, you are able to write down your thoughts with QOwnNotes and edit or search for them later on your mobile devices like the Cloud Notes or the OwnCloud, Nextcloud web services. This is the major advantage of the QOwnNotes. So this is how you install and work on QOwnNotes. I hope this tutorial will help you. Thank you for watching.